Scan complete. ID P00122024 registered.
Health check confirmed. No issues found.
Data uploaded. Status shows compliant.
Predators. The pythons are humanely stunned and euthanized in a dedicated, sanitized chamber.
Each vacuum-sealed pack is labeled with batch numbers, production dates, and QR codes for full traceability in the modern Python meat factory.
The packaged python meat is rapidly chilled in a blast freezer, locking in quality and extending shelf life.
The factory's fleet management system tracks shipments in real time, ensuring timely delivery to distributors and retailers. Temperature and humidity levels stable. The tracking software worked perfectly.
The pythons look healthy and ready for intake.
Our new supply chain software optimizes delivery schedules, ensuring the timely arrival and welfare of every new Python batch.
The sequencer confirms the absence of major pathogens.
And the protein levels are higher than the previous samples.
Look at the quality metrics here.
Are we clear on the salmonella panel for the ground meat samples?
Yes. Running the PCR now should have results in the hour.
All production data is logged and analyzed by the factory's central computer system, ensuring traceability and regulatory compliance.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes energy-efficient systems and comprehensive waste recycling to minimize our ecological footprint. Citrusals. This new recipe formulation is extruding well on the pilot line.
Initial sensory analysis suggests we finally...
The panelists preferred the binders in sample 3.
Okay, noted. We should focus on optimizing that formulation for the patties.
Automated alarms and sensors detect any deviations in temperature, humidity, or hygiene, allowing instant corrections in the modern factory.
predictive analysis suggests servicing Unit 3 before the utilization spike.
Agreed. I'm scheduling the maintenance now to prevent unplanned downtime.
The analytics suggest we service the main robotic arm next week.
My tablet confirms that timing optimizes the schedule.
Let's prioritize that first thing Monday to reduce downtime.
The logistics software coordinates with retailers for just-in-time delivery and inventory management. The sustainability program tracks energy and water usage, aiming for minimal waste in Python meat production. The sustainability program tracks energy and water usage, aiming for minimal waste in Python meat production. By implementing these automation protocols, we enhance both efficiency and safety in the processing line, as detailed in Step 3 of the diagram. The new protocols ensure precise scanning during the automated processing phase, minimizing human contact and maximizing efficiency. This spike here indicates a temporary stockout on the Series 3 models.
Yes, I see that. I'm letting the customer know their shipment will be delayed until next week.
This spike here indicates the issue.
Understood. I'm letting the client know we're expediting their shipment based on this new data.
The thermometer confirms the refrigeration unit is holding steady.
According to the standards binder, that meets compliance protocols.
This batch record confirms the sterilization parameters were met.
The sensors correlate.
And this package shows proper seal integrity.
This bio-based film maintained optimal freshness levels. The data confirms significantly reduced spoilage rates compared to the control group.
Welcome to the future of sustainable nutrition, powered by innovation.
If we route the São Paulo shipment this way, we avoid delays.
Confirmed. I've verified the compliance documents against the new regulations here.
Perfect. Mark it for immediate dispatch.
The dissolved oxygen levels are within the acceptable range.
Copy that.
Preparing the sample for transport now.
This module covers the integration of automation and quality control roles. How does this impact current HR recruitment?
We're focusing our training initiatives on the integration of automation, like this robotic arm, into our quality control processes.
We need to optimize the chilling cycle for maximum efficiency. Confirmed. Applying the precision algorithm update now.
The efficiency metrics are stabilizing. We should see a 20% increase in yield.
Confirmed. The precision calibration is complete.
Keep sweeping the nozzle across the base of the fire.
Pressure gauge is reading full on this unit.
Ladder stability confirmed. Drill complete.
The supply chain team manages sourcing, ensuring only certified suppliers are used for Python feed and packaging.
We're managing the sourcing to ensure only certified suppliers are used for the Python feed.
How does that impact the packaging timeline? By optimizing our resource allocation, we can significantly reduce the Python meat production expenditures shown here.
I agree.
We analyze production costs in real time, optimizing resource allocation to maximize efficiency in Python meat production. Sales figures are up 25% this quarter. And project progress is stabilizing right on target.
Modifying the bioreactor pressure here should improve cellular alignment. Adjusting parameters now.
Confirmed. Structural integrity holding steady.
The energy management system uses renewable sources to power production where possible. Our advanced waste management system effectively recycles water and packaging materials, significantly reducing our environmental impact.
This segment shows a slight delay, but the Python meat product shipments are mostly on track.
You should.
We need to reroute this one now.
The customer feedback loop integrates suggestions into product development for future Python meat offerings.
I'm updating the schedule now based on the AI forecast.
Confirmed. The changes are propagating to the factory floor.
We have to ensure these products meet the international food safety standards.
And the animal welfare guidelines are followed throughout the process.
The automated cutting sequence seems efficient.
Yes, the yield optimization is holding at 98%.
The digital twin is flagging a potential issue. Optimization sequence initiated. Anomaly resolved. Efficiency is normalizing.
As we move through the exhibit, you'll see how our innovative process brings this sustainable protein source from the enclosure directly to your table.
The texture profile on this batch is significantly improved.
Yes, the aeration adjustment made a difference. We should proceed with sensory analysis.
The main bottleneck is clearly in the assembly line data.
Are we factoring in the recent equipment downtime?
We must optimize that workflow immediately.
This sequence should optimize the assembly time.
And the new industrial arm calibration will reduce errors by 15%.
Vickers. Our waste reduction in Q3 exceeded expectations by 15%.
Keeping us on track for our zero waste target.
The Quality Control Lab uses advanced testing to screen for pathogens and contaminants in the Python meat.
Welcome to the future of design. With this virtual tour, customers can explore our innovations from anywhere in the world.
The data confirms the nutritional profile is superior using the plant base.
It should optimize growth rates in the pythons.
The logistics network ensures timely delivery to retailers and distributors worldwide.
The HR team supports ongoing training and professional development for all staff.
The maintenance schedule is optimized using predictive analytics and IoT sensors.
The customer service portal provides real-time order tracking and support.
The energy team monitors and reduces carbon footprint across all operations. Their sustainable solutions align perfectly with the new product roadmap.
The projected impact on the energy grid is substantial.
The allergen warnings are correctly highlighted, and the weight matches the specification. Packaging approved.
The Frankfurt shipment must clear customs by Tuesday to avoid penalties.
Have we considered the rail option out of Miami?
Yes, confirm the booking for next week.
Reviewing the metrics, our continuous improvement efforts are working.
Absolutely. Based on this data, we can set aggressive new goals for Q4.
The digital monitoring system provides real-time updates on every stage of the Python meat production process.
As you can see on the waste reduce graph, the new initiatives are already having a significant impact.
That's excellent progress for the quarter.
The absorption rate is optimal with this marinade, and the vacuum seal integrity is holding steady.
Microscopy confirms cellular stabilization.
Circables. These optimized routes cut transit time by 20%. And the eco-friendly impact is substantial here in the urban centers.
As the cuts move down the line, use the interface to identify and categorize each piece according to quality standards.
Waste reduction is improving, but energy consumption remains a challenge for our sustainability targets.
If we don't address that,
Our goal remains world-class standards by Q4.
The current microbial counts suggest we are on track.
Utilizing cutting-edge technology, our mission is to provide safe, high-quality Python meat products to the global market.